Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Everybody is fine. It's me, Sulaiman Khan. I hope so. The people who have watched my previous last two analysis of gold, they have secured a very good profits in gold. So today we are also going to discuss some things regarding gold market, and we will check it out that what is happening in the gold market and what are the possible positions for the gold market. The reason is that I have got a lot of questions that, sir, why do that gold comes to that much high? Because but basically it was just because of inflation. There was a huge data of inflation. So just because of that, that's because of that, you guys know that whenever inflation comes, people start buying gold because this is a reserve currency. So in this way, gold market just moves upside. So in on Friday, the inflation number was 8.6%, 8.6, and that's a huge number. That's a huge number. Now, first of all, if you will check it out fundamentally, on on the behalf of inflation, what will do American? What will be the impacts of American central banks and Fed interest rates? Absolutely. Whenever the inflation is rise, there are two things that government used to do. First thing is that they will print more money, and the second thing is that they will raise the interest rates. If American central bank, they will raise the interest rates, so in this way the gold can fall very badly, because the reason is that when they will raise the interest rates, people will not start buying the gold. People will start buying other products where they will get the more and more interest rates. They will buy the bonds and yields or like these type of stuffs. So in this way, there's only hope that gold can fall. Now, if you look at on the behalf of technically, actually, I try my best to make a video very much shorter, because these are the topics that can be very much lengthy. If I will start explaining here, it will takes a lot of time. So right now, if you will check it out on the behalf of a weekly time frame chart, previously you know that I have mentioned in my previous video that gold has created here a double bottom. From due to that thing, that gold can move slightly upside. This was the first reason for moving upside. Now the second reason is that if you look at here, gold market has created a very beautiful M pattern. Due to that thing, gold market starts falling downside. Now you guys can see here that gold market is right now at this crucial stage. Why I am saying it a crucial stage? The reason is that if you will check it out here, just hold on. If you will check it out here, I have marked here this area that was 1877 or 1878. This was the area from where we can look that gold market slightly fall. Why I'm saying this thing? If I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level on the behalf of this impulse, you will able to see that right now we have crossed this 0.382 per retracement level, and the next only hope would be 1920. So now right now you have to mark whatever the areas I am telling you. So next time, if gold will not be able to fall downside here, it means that if this week candle will gives us closing above 1869 or like these type of area, then there's a slightly hope that gold can go still 1920 or 1915 area. From there, gold can fall. This is the first thing you have to mark it. And the second thing, now if you will talk about the second thing, the second, as I mentioned you, that gold market was creating the M pattern. So on the behalf of M pattern, so it looks like that this is the slightly retest. So now the thing is that when the retest will be completed, so this is a question. So on the behalf of that checking, if I will draw the Fibonacci retracement level on the behalf of that thing, on the behalf of M pattern, if I will start creating the M pattern on the behalf of M pattern, I will start from financial trust level. So there is a hope that is 1895 area. So right now I have the few areas for entries of selling. If gold will market will fall from this like that, because I on the behalf of M pattern, I can see that gold has created the M pattern here, and if market will fall from here, then there is a hope for the retest that would be 1895 area. From here I can look for the sell trace till 1790. So these are the two possible positions for gold right now which I was looking for sell. I have mentioned 1895 area, and the second area would be 1920 area. These are the two some areas where I can look for the selling entries. Now the second thing is that where we have to look for the buy trades. That would be the scalping buy trades. If I will open a daily time frame chart, you will be able to see here. Now on the behalf of daily time frame chart, there you will also see a double bottom, so that has made the gold market move towards the upside. Now if I will open the line chart, then there you will be able to see correctly. You guys can see here right now very clearly. Now if I will draw the trend line here, so there you will be able to see that this is the area right now where I can look for the next time the buying trades. Now if I will open a candle chart, now there I will make some corrections here. Yeah, now it's perfect, because the trend line, your trend line should not have to you should not have to cut through the bodies. Cutting through the wicks is all right. So next time I can see if gold will be able to fall from this area. The fall could be possible till 1853 area. So then if a market will try to take a support from this area, then we can again look for the again that target, that was 1895 target and 1920 target. These will be our next two targets. So I hope so that you have liked, you have got whatever I want to say to you, and you have memorized these type of things. So guys, you have to follow this analysis for your future. I hope so this would be very very much helpful for you. I have tried my best to conclude, to summarize all the things in a short term, in a just a 5 to 10 minutes video. So guys, kindly must like and kindly must share our channel. And if you guys have any question, you guys can you guys can ask in a comment box. And also you guys can contact us on the Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram channels, and you guys can ask from me personally there also. Thank you very much. I stay blessed.